This is not what I was taught.
What's happening?
The last semester I was in psychology statistics.
Oh, okay.
So I was telling him all of this stuff we're going over, we didn't go over.
Yeah, because you guys have, and so do we, the software packages that do this for you.
Yeah.
But personally, if you don't do it by hand first, you don't understand what the software is doing, so it's not good.
Yeah. So
I'm filling in some gaps for you. All right, guys. I'm gonna interrupt you guys for just a little bit. Hey guys, everybody and girls, every person. I'm gonna show you. If you need to borrow a calculator, I got a bag of them up here. Does anybody need a calculator? Come on up, y'all. I got some extra batteries in case yours has a low battery. Please make sure you give these back to me. I am only a teacher. I can't buy all of these back.
that's like $1,000 right here. He just had
That's it.
I remember when I bought this.
There's no more?
That's it.
Alright.
I don't know what
Too bad. So if you don't have one, you want to sit near somebody that has one. Yeah. Oh, is yours low?
Yeah.
All right. Yes, I'm taping it right now. All right, guys. So I want to show you the first little bit of how to use the calculator to. We're just going to sort data. That's the first thing we're going to do. That's all we're going to do today on the calculator is sort data. That's exciting.
Sorry.
No more calculators, sorry. I just have these, which won't do shit. So, what do you think is the most important key? It's not the only key we're going to use. What's the most important key?
The second one.
On, I love it.
And the second.
So for this class, what's the most important key?
We don't know.
Right.
I didn't know that was there.
I wish this was like, I could touch it, it would do it. Do you guys see that okay, or do I need to... You're okay, everybody?
I got it. Yep.
Yes. Oh. You evil teacher. Yeah. You need batteries? Can you give a set to her right there? Give a set of batteries? No more, so. Oh, thank you. Yeah. All right, guys. There you go. Do the one that says whiteboard. There we go. Okay. All right, guys. So let's all do this same set of data. Oh. How many guys have never used a graphing calculator ever? I think a few people said they hadn't. You desperately want to go to the website. Guys, you want to go to the website. You pull it back up.
10 years ago.
One of the things I have on the website is called Calculator Guide.
I saw that.
And it gives you just some general things that aren't even related to just stats specifically. Just generally how to use this. Hopefully you've used a scientific calculator before. Not one of those ones with just divided by, times, minus, plus, but you know, the next step up from that, where it shows you everything you're typing as you type it. So what I mean is, like, if I want to do 7 minus 8 times 9 divided by 5, blah, blah, right? It shows me the whole line of what I'm doing. The calculator knows order of operations. Oh, shit. Which sounds good, but that means if you get the wrong answer, it is user error for sure. Right? So if I meant to subtract the 7 and the 8 first, I would have to put parentheses around them. So that would have been my bad, now the calculator's bad. All right, how we doing so far? So if you've never used a graphing calculator before, you want to build in some time now to just play with the damn thing to do normal stuff, just to make sure you understand the normal stuff. So let's do some abnormal stuff. So if I do hit the stat key, you're going to get this sort of vague list of things. Obviously, number 2 and 3 will eventually sort the data for me, but I have to put the freaking data in first for the calculator to be able to do anything, right? The TI 2000 will have eyeballs and stuff, but then, it's one step away from Skynet chip, so don't hope for that too soon. So if I hit edit, that's where I'm able to actually put stuff into lists. Now, let me see now. It's always exciting when we're doing calculator stuff because everybody has weird things that happen. Some of you guys might have data in your lists. That's not a concern. What you do is, if you have data in a list somewhere and you don't want data in a list, then you go up to the list and you hit clear.
Not delete.
Not delete. Hit clear, enter. If you hit delete, the list goes away. Right? And then you freak out and you're like, oh shit, my list when I come back, no, everything's gone, no. So if something weird happens like that, or you borrow a calculator and list one, it says Fred or something, because you can rename these things, you would hit stat, setup editor. That just brings it back to normal. So now all my lists are back. You guys, so does everybody have list 1, list 2, list 3? If you have data in any of those, just go ahead and clear them out so they're not there. Just highlight the list and hit clear. Is everybody doing okay so far? Anybody have weird errors or anything? Okay, good. You guys are like, I don't even have a calculator right now. Okay, you have no errors. So let's all use the same data. Let's say 5, 3, 28, 69, 17, 58, and 0.7. Yay. You guys get that? Go back up. It doesn't really matter what you do, but Alright, so obviously that's not in order. That's a very small list of data, so I wouldn't even do it, but I'm just showing you how this works. Why is it important for me to have the list in order on that back problem? Because I want you to make a histogram, and you're going to have to count how many numbers are between two given numbers. You want them to be in order, so that's easier to do. Okay, cool. So now I'm going to do this. Go to stat. What do you think the difference is between the two sorts? Yes, sort A is sort ascending, sort D is sort descending. So we normally use sort A to go from smallest to biggest. So go to sort A. You can either scroll down to that or you just hit the number 2. It don't matter none. Now why do you think it's got a parenthesis there? Because it's waiting for an input, a list. You got to tell it which list you want to sort. That kind of makes sense. If you hit enter right now, it's going to have some weird error. Argument error or something. Let's see what it says. If I hit enter, it says syntax. The beautiful thing about this error, whenever you have a go-to in your error, you definitely do that because it's going to put the cursor on top of the problem. You're like, oh, good. So the go-to. Oh, shit. All right. Forgot to tell it which list. So now look at where your lists are. You see that the lists are above these numbers? List 1 is above 1, list 2 is above 2, so forth. And I put my data in list 1. So this second button is like my shift button. Second 1. You don't have to hit both of them at the same time. I love it when somebody's like, I can't hit it. I won't. No, hit that and then you hit that.
So it says done.
I know. When you hit enter, it's a little anticlimactic. It's like, did that. You got to go back into your list, and now it'll be in order. So if I go to stat, edit, now my list is in order. Do you guys see that?
No.
That's the most basic thing this thing can do with data. It can analyze the hell out of data. Like it better analyze the hell out of data, how expensive it is.
True.
So we'll introduce more stuff. So that's all you need to be able to do that back problem easier. And you might as well start getting used to the calculator. All right. That's enough for now. Keep going.